At the end of last year, I'd noticed that the Panther was getting a little smoky, and compression was down. To cut a long story short, I took it to pieces in January, finding that the top ring was stuck in its groove, and the piston and exhaust valve were caked in hard black guck. Of course, I broke the ring while trying to free it, and since it was out of position, it had scored the barrel. New rings, a decoked piston and cylinder head, a freshly honed cylinder, and freshly ground-in valves. It was time to see if she still runs. In my search for better audio for my videos, I recently bought a Zoom HN1 audio recorder. During this ride it was stuffed behind my back in a fanny pack in an attempt to keep it out of the wind. Let me know if this is an improvement. I only went around the block on this first ride. It's about 11 kilometers. Just a good way of checking that everything's going okay. I'd forgotten my wallet and driver's license, and anyway, I wanted to make sure everything was working properly and there were no nasty noises or excessive leaks. This isn't a modern bike. A few specks of oil on the engine cases and on the garage floor are to be expected. After all, it's British. No oil leaks means it's out of oil. After this quick ride, I headed home, picked up my wallet, leaving the camera and audio recorder behind, and headed out on a 60-mile loop. I only took a few photos while I was out, but I'll leave the sound clip running in the background. Why? Because I'm besotted by the mellow sound of the Panther's big single-cylinder engine. That's good enough reason. If you're curious about the Panther, I do have a book about my history and infatuation with these ancient, lovable bikes. It's available through Amazon and Audible, as are the rest of my motorcycle books. Thanks for watching.